Hi Naptime friends, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Happy Friday everybody! I hope you're all having a great day. Here's a little sneak peek I showed you in the picture there of what we're going to be making today. I'm going to be using my Lerezexpressions products. All the products are Lerez except the Mayron Gold. I just love how that stuff acts, especially with the Promarine tabletop epoxy. It just does some really nice lacing when you combine those two together. So I'm going to be using the apatite blue, which is the dark blue here, the steel blue, Mayron Gold powder, and the angel white paste. And I will link all this stuff below where you can buy all that. I have all my colors mixed up already, and I think I mixed up about like 6 ounces for this. This is a pour over on a piece I made previously. It just kind of turned out muddy, so I decided I was going to pour over it. So if you want to see a tutorial on how to mix up your resin and your pigments and all that good stuff, I will link that down below. If you're new to resin, definitely check that out. I go step by step on how I mix up my pigments and how to mix up your resin and all that good stuff. So you can see here I'm just going in basically in thirds. I put my apatite blue on the bottom, my angel white in the middle, and my steel blue on the top. And I just like to flip my cups upside down to make sure I get all the resin out of those cups. So I'm just going in with my hand here and smoothing out the apatite blue. I'm trying not to blend these colors together too much. So I wanted to make sure that each section stayed that color. So just take your hand and go in, make sure you get the edges too. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the steel blue, just blend it all in at the top here. And really quickly too, I wanted to give a shout out to 2 channels. Definitely check out Kreative Escapades by Kim. You guys, she does some of the coolest stuff on her channel. She is like seriously the most creative person on YouTube, I swear. She does some of the most awesome stuff, and she's almost at 500 subscribers. So definitely check her out. I will put an iCard right here and link her channel down below. And go subscribe and show her some support and tell her Tish said hi. And then also Laura at Laura's Art Corner. She does some really awesome resin art, and she just posted a video of her process on making a dragon egg with resin. Oh my gosh, those things are so cool. So definitely go check out Laura too. I will link her channel down below and put an iCard. And if you just click the iCard, that'll take you straight to their channels. So there, what you saw, I just took a popsicle stick and kind of chopped those colors together just to give them a nice blend. And before I went into the different section blue, like for the steel blue and the white, I used one side of the popsicle stick and then I flipped it over so I didn't blend the colors together. So I flipped it over and used the other side of the stick to blend the apatite blue and the angel white together. Here I'm just going in with some of the Mayron Gold and doing some accent lines. You notice how I start my lines off my piece. You want to do that. That way when you're doing your line, you're not going to get a funky drop when you start your line on your piece straight away. Your line isn't going to be nice and fluid, if that makes sense. So start your accent lines off your piece and then drag it, across your piece. That way you'll get a nice fluid line. So I was just going in with my heat gun on high heat and moving that gold all around, trying to get some cells and lacing to pop up. And I was going to leave this just like this. It had some nice cells popping up through there, but I decided, nope, I'm going to add some more gold. Right in the middle, I add some gold, and you guys, this is where I went crazy with the gold. And I didn't even think I added that much, honestly. Like, it doesn't even look like that much gold, but just wait. The whole thing's gonna turn gold, basically. But it turned out pretty in the end, you'll see. So I'm just going in with my heat gun on high heat and moving that gold around that I just added. Kind of pushing it to the left, pushing it to the right. and when you hit that powder with the heat on high, it breaks it up, and it makes the particles in the powder float up and cause the cells enlacing. You could see me staring at it like, oh my gosh, what did I do? I just basically ruined this piece. So I decided to try to tilt it, see if I could get anything to happen, if I could move some of that gold down, but it wasn't really moving too much, and it didn't look like too horribly bad, but I just wasn't going for that much gold on the piece. So I decided, well, since it's already got a ton of gold, let's add some more, right? So I just add a little accent line right here, and then I'm going to add a little bit more in the white section off to the right, just to kind of really make that whole section look gold. Hitting it with my heat gun on high heat, and that's it. I'm going to call this guy done. I'll show you what it looks like in 24 hours. And here it is. When I put this one in my dust-free zone, I was like, oh man, that's not good. I'm going to have to pour over that again, but I kind of like how it turned out. It's got a lot of gold. That Mayron gold, though, sure is pretty, how it sits on top, nice and floating. I like to call it floating gold. You can get that Mayron gold off of Amazon. It's like $8 for the bottle, and it'll last you forever. This is my favorite section right here, where you can see the blue popping up through the gold and the angel white. It's really, really pretty. And the apatite blue up at the top, shoosh, that color is just gorgeous, you guys. You can get it from Laura's Art Corner on Facebook. She's got a store and sells all kinds of goodies. So be sure to check out Laura's channel and Kim's channel. They'll be linked down below in the description. Go subscribe. Here's some still photos of it. I wanted to put those in too for you guys. So I hope you guys are all having a great day and you have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday, and that's when I'm going to be doing my giveaway video. If you want more information on how to enter my 1K subscriber giveaway, check out my previous video. I've got it all in there. See you guys later. Bye.